are an ignorant race. How foolish it is to believe that your kind rules the earth. Know now that you are not alone. There are unseen worlds which exist parallel to yours. These are the worlds of the Makai, a race of demons, and the Jujinkai, those who are half human and half beast. There is an ancient legend, a prophecy, foretelling the appearance of a super being every 3,000 years. He is called the Chojin, a god above all gods, the Overfiend. The Chojin will appear through the body of a human, and with his great power, he will unite the three worlds. He will create a new world, a world of peace and harmony. His time has now come. Ignorant humans, the truth shall now be revealed. It's been 300 years since Amino of the Jujinkai has gone to the human world in search of the Great One. There has been no report, but I can smell it. I sense the coming of the Chojin.
That's him. He's got all the right moves. Makes the girls go crazy. He's got to be the one.
Hey, cut it out. Let me change. Okay, I was only kidding. What are you guys up to? Oh my God. Hi, girls. How's it going today? Fine, thanks.
Kenny.
Today's gonna be great. What was that? Someone there?
Oh, shit.
Hey, who's there? Do you see anything? No, but I swear someone's been here.